Hey, good morning and welcome to Gardener Keep. We are out here in the garden. It is July 16th and we have had another epic failure of a growing season. This is our okra. This stuff has been in the ground 2 months. This was actually our third planting because the rabbits ate the first couple plantings. The pepper plants are trying to grow, but they're struggling too. They're starting to maybe get a few little blossoms on there. But our biggest problem, and one of the reasons that I am going, sorry, the dogs are all over me. One of the reasons that we are moving away from in-ground gardening is we've got all of this nightshade. If it's a silverleaf nightshade, this stuff is actually toxic to animals. I'm not sure if it's toxic to people, but it's absolutely taken over our garden. Our garden is not thriving. The corn died. The squash plants, most of them died. The tomato plants are doing okay. They grew and they're still alive, but it's been so hot that it's not flowering anymore, and what flowers it did have were sterile. Anytime your temperature is over 90 degrees, your tomato flowers tend to be infertile. This was some of the baby corn. It may produce, it may not. We've got a whole bunch of the sticker weed too that's popped up. So these are all reasons that we will be going to raised beds. Our squash plants are trying, like I said, but we've probably only gotten 4 or 5, no, probably not even that many, probably only 3 or 4 squash that were barely edible. My cucumbers all died 100%, and I have one lowly chili plant that survived in this garden. Stay tuned, follow along, and we are going to begin the raised bed garden adventure as we struggle with gardening here in Arizona. Have a great day. Subscribe to my page, follow me on Facebook, and give me a thumbs up.